Hi guys, we're back at SSB today, and we are working on the same Forester. I'm going to show you guys how to remove the rear door panel and how to replace it. But we got some screws on door panel screws that need to come out first. There's two of them. There's one right here, and there's one right here. And they're covered by little like door panel plastic beauty clips, you can call them, so you don't see them. Use a pick them out of the way. It's like a little door. You just open it up, and then it's got one screw here, like so. That's one door panel screw, and then there's one more door panel screw right here. Two door panel screws. Oh, and you gotta get this guy out. This guy right here slides that way, and then you can yank it. Watch. Push it this way, and then pull it pull it back and don't break it. Reason why I say pull it this way is because it has these guys right here, and then I should have grabbed my handle right here instead of pulling on here. Usually it just pops out, but obviously I broke it. But we're dismantling cars, so if you break this, don't do what I did. Don't do what I just did. But this has to come out. Now, door panel, there's a little good spot right here to hold on the back side right here to yank on. It's got those door panel clips. There he goes. Gotta lift up and then pull back. And then you got, these two rod cables. Just get behind them like this and just pull them out. Just wiggle them. They come out really easy. And this door panel is a lot easier than the front one. It only has one plug. That is how you remove a door panel. One of the clips, the door panel clips, got left behind. It's right here. I don't want to put the door panel down to scratch it, but oh, there it is. There we go. Oh, look at that. There's one right here. This blue one. It's a different color. I don't know why. But there it is. Make sure when you remove a door panel and you're going to reinstall it and replace it, make sure you don't leave one clip behind and then try to put the door panel on, because the door panel is not going to want to seat correctly, and you'll end up breaking the clip, and then you're going to need clips. So while removing the door panel and then replacing it, be careful not to break any of the door panel clips. That's all I got for this door panel. If you need it, we're going to do the rest of them, so just keep on watching and subscribe, hit the notification button, and I got a new toy coming.